Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by, and if you are OG, you are welcome back. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys how to make the most easiest butter fried rice. Yes, so this is the simplest way to make buttered fried rice. Let's dive right into this video. This buttered fried rice will be going down with some chicken. So I have boiled my chicken and I will use that chicken stock to cook this fried rice. Here I have my chicken stock and my cooker is on low heat. Next, I will be adding my washed rice into this stock. Next, I'll be adding some water and stir everything together. Adding some chopped onions, and next I'll be adding my condiments. I didn't add too much condiment because the chicken stock already has a lot of condiment and seasoning in it. I have cooked the gizzard and liver needed, and I am now cutting them to the size I want. Next, I'll be adding a bit of vegetable cooking oil and our butter. So in this recipe, I used beautifully buttery. Stir until the butter is fully melted. Sorry guys, my camera died and I added mixed veg off camera. So after adding the mixed veg, I gave it a very good stir so everything can incorporate so well. I am going to cover it and let it simmer for 5 minutes. And voila, our buttered fried rice is ready to be portioned, ready to be dished, ready to be devoured, ready to be consumed. So my chicken is in the oven. I have grilled my chicken and it is going to be a peppered chicken. Tutorial is also coming up on that chicken. Stay tuned, guys, so that you can watch that video as well and not miss it. My family love this rice so much. Every time I cook it, I usually cook in a very big pot and it doesn't last for 2 days. Like, they love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not subscribed, kindly consider subscribing to this channel. Make sure you turn on the bell notification so anytime I upload new video, you'll be notified. Also, let me know, have you tried buttered fried rice before? If yes, comment below, and if no, comment below. And if you have not tried it, is this something you're willing to try? Let me know in the comment section below. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.